Top 5 UK Two New Pence. Welcome back to Worth Coin. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of UK Two New Pence Elizabeth coins. We'll explore the top 5 coins, their history, and their current value. So whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this video is for you. Let's get started. 2005 UK Two New Pence. The 2005 Two New Pence coin features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II designed by Ian Rank Broadley. This portrait, introduced in 1998, replaced the previous one by Raphael Makloff and depicts a more mature image of the Queen. On the obverse side, you can see the inscription Elizabeth II DG, Reg, FD, which stands for Elizabeth II Di Gratia Regina Fidei Defensor, translating to Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. The year 2005 is also prominently displayed. Now let's flip the coin to the reverse side. The design here features the badge of the Prince of Wales, consisting of 3 ostrich feathers encircled by a coronet with the German motto HDN, meaning I serve. This design has been a staple on the Two New Pence coin since its inception. The Two New Pence coin was part of everyday circulation in the UK until 1982, when the wording on the coin was changed from New Pence to 2 pence. However, coins with the New Pence inscription continued to be produced for special sets and collectors. So what about the value of the 2005 Two New Pence coin? Well, its value largely depends on its condition. In general, coins in mint or uncirculated condition can fetch a higher price among collectors. As of now, a 2005 Two New Pence coin in excellent condition can be valued at around PS1 to PS3. However, it's always a good idea to check the latest market trends and consult with coin experts for the most accurate valuation. Interestingly, while the 2005 Two New Pence coin isn't particularly rare, it holds a special place in the hearts of collectors due to its historical significance and the classic design that has been retained over the years. 1997 UK Two New Pence. The 1997 version of the coin features the familiar portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Raphael Makloff. This third portrait of Her Majesty was used on coins from 1985 to 1997. On the reverse side, we have the badge of the Prince of Wales, which includes a plume of 3 ostrich feathers, a coronet, and the motto HDN, which means I serve in German. This design was created by Christopher Ironside and has been a staple on the 2 pence coin since its inception. Diameter 25.9 mm. Weight 7.12 grams. Composition copper-plated steel. Let's talk about the specifications. The coin has a diameter of 25.9 mm, a weight of 7.12 grams, and is made from copper-plated steel. These specifics are important for collectors to verify the authenticity of their coins. The 1997 Two New Pence coin isn't particularly rare. Millions were minted that year. However, certain factors can make a specific coin more valuable, such as its condition and any errors in the minting process. Now, the part you've all been waiting for, the value. A typical 1997 Two New Pence coin in circulated condition is worth its face value of 2 pence. However, uncirculated or proof versions can fetch higher prices. An uncirculated coin might sell for around PS1 to PS2, while a proof version could go for PS3 to PS5, depending on the market demand and condition. If you're a collector, here are a few tips. Check the condition. Coins in mint or near mint condition are always more valuable. Look for errors. Minting errors can significantly increase a coin's value. Proper storage. Store your coins in a cool, dry place, preferably in protective cases to prevent damage. 1975 UK Two New Pence. The 1975 Two New Pence coin features the iconic portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse side. This design was created by Arnold Machine and was first introduced in 1968. The inscription around the portrait reads Elizabeth II D.G.Ray.F.D, which stands for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. On the reverse side, you'll find the badge of the Prince of Wales, consisting of a plume of 3 ostrich feathers and a coronet, along with the motto HDN, which means I serve in German. The inscription reads New Pence in the denomination 2. The 1975 Two New Pence coin is made of bronze, with a weight of 7.12 grams and a diameter of 25.91 millimeters. It was minted by the Royal Mint, which has been producing coins for the United Kingdom for over 1,100 years. Now, let's talk about the value of the 1975 Two New Pence coin. While it's a common coin and not particularly rare, its value can vary based on its condition. Coins in average circulated condition are typically worth their face value of 2 pence. However, uncirculated or proof versions of the coin can be worth more to collectors, sometimes fetching a few pounds at auction. In recent years, certain 1975 Two New Pence coins in pristine condition have been sold for higher amounts, especially if they come with certification from a reputable grading service. Always keep an eye out for coins with minimal wear and sharp details, as these are more desirable to collectors. 1978 UK Two New Pence. The 1978 Two New Pence coin is part of a significant period in British coinage. In 1971, the UK underwent a major change in its currency system, moving from the old pounds, shillings, and pence to a decimal system. The new pence coins were introduced to help ease this transition. The Two New Pence coin was first issued in 1971 and continued until 1981. The new pence was intended to differentiate these coins from the pre-decimal pennies. However, in 1982, the inscription was changed to 2 pence as the decimal system had become well established by then. Now let's talk about the design of the 1978 Two New Pence coin. On the obverse, you'll find the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machine. This portrait was used on coins from 1968 to 1984 and is easily recognizable by the laurel wreath tiara she is wearing. Queen Elizabeth's portrait is surrounded by the inscription Elizabeth II DG Reg, FD, which stands for Elizabeth II Dei Gratia Regina Fidei Defensor, meaning Elizabeth II by the grace of God, Queen Defender of the Faith. On the reverse, you'll see the badge of the Prince of Wales, featuring a plume of 3 ostrich feathers within a coronet. Below this, you'll find the inscription Ich diene, which means I serve in German. The words New Pence and the denomination 2 are also prominently displayed. The 1978 Two New Pence coin has a diameter of 25.91 millimeters and weighs 7.12 grams. It's made of bronze, giving it a distinctive reddish-brown color. This coin was minted in large quantities, making it relatively common compared to other coins from the same era. 1988 UK Two New Pence. The Two New Pence coin was introduced as part of this transition. The 1988 version of the coin features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Raphael Maklouf. This portrait was used on coins from 1985 to 1997. Now let's take a closer look at the specifics of the 1988 Two New Pence coin. It is made of bronze with a diameter of 25.91 millimeters and a weight of 7.12 grams. The obverse side features the third portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, while the reverse side displays the badge of the Prince of Wales, a plume of ostrich feathers within a coronet, above the legend New Pence and the denomination 2. But did you know? From 1982 onwards, the inscription New Pence was changed to 2 pence. However, the 1988 coins retained the New Pence inscription due to a minting error, making them a curious piece for collectors. Now let's talk about the value of the 1988 Two New Pence coin. As of today, the value of this coin can vary depending on its condition. In general, a circulated coin may be worth around 10 to 20 pence. However, uncirculated or proof versions can fetch higher prices, sometimes up to a few pounds. To determine the exact value of your coin, consider factors like its mint state, any unique features, and demand among collectors. Online auctions and coin valuation guides can provide current market prices. If you're looking to add a 1988 Two New Pence coin to your collection, here are a few tips. First, always verify the authenticity of the coin, especially if you're purchasing from an online marketplace. Second, keep an eye out for coins in the best possible condition, as these will hold more value over time. Lastly, proper storage is key. Use coin holders or albums to protect your coins from damage and tarnish. That wraps up our look at the 1988 UK Two New Pence Elizabeth coin. We hope you found this information valuable and exciting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more coin collecting tips and histories. Thanks for watching and happy collecting.